And you see how females stay nowadays. This lady look like a zombie right now. Her eye them swell up and beaten and battered. And this lady have the audacity for say, if your man not do you them way there, him not love you. Because or something tight, or something this or whatever, make him do her so because of love. Really?
You serious?
You know say, and hey, believe it or not, this is how a lot of females really and truly believe. Them really believe say if them boyfriend no beat them and batter them, him no love her. She have to get the beating there. But the thing is now, them female, they are damaged beyond repair. There's no coming back with these females. These females, yo, any man of these females run. Them female can't fix. No therapist, nobody can help them female. Damage beyond repair. No joke. These females are psychotic. Because if a man have to beat you like that, for you think he loves you